Just like I predicted yesterday, Samsung has officially started trolling Apple and the iPhone 14. The new buckle up teaser uploaded that is just legendary. Take a look.
Buckle up for Apple's latest launch as you enter a world where heads will turn, just not in your direction, where the highest resolution camera on a smartphone will be in someone else's pocket. And that epic moonshot that's getting all the likes won't be yours, because this innovation is not coming soon to an iPhone near you. It's already here in the Galaxy.
So most of the digs that Samsung has taken are pretty valid, starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which is obviously the problem child for Apple, because Apple is the only company in the world that is selling a phone with a 60Hz display in 2022 at near $900, and of course with the same chip and the same notch design as last year's models, while Samsung is offering the Galaxy Z Flip 4 at around the same price that offers a 120Hz folding LTPO display, a much cleaner implementation of punch hole, incredible performance, solid cameras, great battery life. I've actually done my review of this phone and it really is the best folding flip phone in the world right now, and it's a solid win over the non-pro iPhone 14 models. Samsung also mentions the long range zoom, which is once again something that is not coming to the iPhone 14 Pro. It's still going to be a 3x zoom, however you are getting a new ultra wide angle lens, a new selfie sensor, as well as the main camera sensor, so it's still a pretty good upgrade, but it's just not going to offer that long range zoom performance of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now regarding the highest resolution on any phone, I mean, Samsung, did you forget about the 200 megapixel sensor on the Moto X30 Pro, which actually takes the sharpest photos on any smartphone out there, something that I've personally tested out. Also, most people already know that higher megapixels doesn't equate to better camera sensor performance, so the iPhone 14 Pro's 48 megapixel sensor is looking pretty strong and very promising, especially Apple's strong camera ISP and their A16 chip is going to be a low light beast, especially when it comes to low light video recording, where even the iPhone 13 Pro Max edges out the S22 Ultra. So we are real where we have to be real. You can hate on Apple's design, but their camera is going to be very promising. Also with this ad, you can notice that the prime devices to compete with the iPhone 14 series is the Z Flip 4 and the S22 Ultra. Samsung didn't showcase any of the other S22 models, and of course they left out the pricey Galaxy Z Fold 4. The roasting officially begins, and I think we're gonna see a lot more digs at Apple, especially when Apple finally unveils the iPhone 14 and the 14 Pro lineup on September 7th. Here are the league pricing and the storage sizes, so starting from $749 and maxing out at near $1150 or $1199 if there's going to be a $100 price increase. So there we go, Samsung the big troller is back again. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you don't miss any video. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.